Editors. Today we're cleaning up images affected by mixed lighting, like indoor lights combined with outdoor sunlight. Mixed lighting creates unwanted color spills, usually yellow, green, or magenta. Identify the areas affected most: faces, walls, or reflective surfaces. Reduce color shifts by isolating specific regions and adjusting their color temperature. Cool down overly warm zones or neutralize green tints that come from fluorescent lights. Keep the adjustments localized to avoid altering the whole image. When done correctly, the photo looks fresh, natural, and accurate. Thanks for watching. More color correction tips coming soon.